In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a link to an image in Google Slides, whether you're creating a presentation for work, school, or a personal project. Linking images to relevant content can enhance your slides and make them more interactive and informative. Now, let's dive right in and see how you can easily accomplish this task. First, you'll want to start by clicking on the image that you wish to link in your Google Slides presentation. Once you have selected the image, you simply need to press Ctrl and the K key simultaneously if you're using a PC. For Mac users, that would be Command K. This is a handy shortcut that will quickly bring up the link insertion dialog box directly. In this dialog box, you'll see the option to enter the URL you want to link to the image. Carefully type in or paste the correct URL to ensure it directs your audience to the right location when they click on the image. After you've entered the link, click Apply, and just like that, you've successfully added a link to your image. Now, if you're someone who prefers using the menu system over keyboard shortcuts, there's another equally simple method. You can head over to the top of your screen on the Google Slides interface and click on the Insert menu. This menu provides various options, but what you need to do is scroll down until you find the Link option. Select it, and you'll see the same familiar box where you can paste your desired URL. Just as before, after entering the link, hit Apply, and your image will be linked. It's worth mentioning that both methods achieve the same result, so feel free to use whichever one you're more comfortable with. Also, remember that if you ever need to change or remove the link, simply click back on the image, and you'll have the option to edit or remove the link altogether. And that's all it takes. You've now learned how to seamlessly add a link to an image in Google Slides. By incorporating links, you keep your audience engaged and provide them with easy access to additional information or resources. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel out. And if you're interested in more tips and tutorials like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy sliding?